Namaste, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare puffed rice snack. Once you prepare and keep it in an airtight container, it can be used in different chats, which I will show in my later video. In this video itself, I will show in later. Ingredients for these snacks are 1 cup peanut, 1 cup roasted chana dal, that is varchagadle or hurigadle. For tempering, mustard seed and jeera seeds. Garlic 8 to 10 pods. I have smashed it with skin and kept. If you remove the skin, it will leave its aroma, it will be very strong. So I have smashed and kept with skin itself. Red chilies, 3 to 4 red chilies. Salt according to taste. Red chili powder. Curry leaves. Turmeric powder, hing, oil for fry, and I have taken 200 grams of puffed rice. Now we will start preparing the dish. Okay, to prepare this snack, first switch on the stove and take a wide kadai. I have taken iron kadai. Let it heat for some time. Let the kadai get heated. Okay. Once the kadai gets heated, you add oil. About 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let oil get heat. Then you will add hing, then mustard and jeera seeds, once it is done, you add a cup of peanut, let it fry and become crispy, then we will add other ingredients. Now peanut has roasted nicely. Now I am adding the roasted chana dal and immediately we will add the garlic pods. Let it fry for some time. At this stage itself, we will add curry leaves, and also chilies. Now I have added turmeric and required amount of salt. At this stage itself, we have to add salt for both this groundnut and the roasted chana dal, and also for the puffed rice. Then add required amount of chili powder. For this amount of puffed rice, 1 full spoon of chili powder is enough. If you want more or less, you can adjust according to your taste. Once it is all mixed and the raw smell of the chili powder has gone, then at the stage you add the puffed rice and mix well. Okay, I will show the next procedure. Now the raw smell of the chili powder has disappeared. Now time to add puffed rice to it. Okay, add all the puffed rice and mix well. One tip I want to give in here, while mixing you can switch off the stove so that the peanut and roasted chana dal will not get burned. So you just switch off the stove and mix well thoroughly, then you fry for 2 to 3 minutes, it will be okay. Now I have mixed the puffed rice thoroughly and all the ingredients are mixed very nice. Now then again I will switch on the stove. Keep it in a sim flame. Then this kadai on this and fry for 2 to 3 minutes so that the puffed rice will become crispy. I will show after frying this. You have to fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes, then everything will become crisp. Once it is cooled, then only you have to store in a airtight container. So I will show the next procedure. Now puffed rice is ready. Now I am going to show two varieties of snacks using this puffed rice. First one, ingredients for the first snack is finely chopped onions 1 cup, finely chopped raw mango, grated carrot, salt, red chili powder, coriander, lemon and the puffed rice mixture which I have prepared now. Okay, for mixing this you take this pot shape of vessel so that while mixing it won't spill out. So you take this. Now we'll start preparing the first snack. For that, for preparing, first add onions. For this amount of puffed rice I am taking 3 spoons of onions. Then grated carrot 1.5 spoon, that is enough for that. Then salt to taste. You add very little salt for this onion and carrot only. Already salt and chili is there in the puffed rice mixture itself, so you add carefully. Add chili powder to the onion and carrot only, just a pinch of. You adjust this according to your taste. Okay. Now mix it well. You mix this well, then only you add puffed rice. If you add puffed rice first and then this, the water in this carrot and the onion will make puffed rice soggy. So you mix this. Add little amount of lemon juice to it itself. See, just a half a spoon of lemon juice. See, this much is enough for this amount of puffed rice. This also you mixed thoroughly. Now on this stage you add puffed rice mixture and mix it very fast. That's it. It is ready and time to serve it. For garnishing we will use very small cut raw mango and finely chopped coriander. Okay, now we will serve it. Now puffed rice snack is ready. First variety of puffed rice snack is ready to serve. Now using the same puffed rice I am making an instant bhel puri. You can prepare this using the ingredients which you have in your home itself. Ingredients for this are same. These are finely chopped onions, coriander, cucumbers, finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped raw mango, grated carrot, finely chopped tomatoes, save for garnishing, salt, chili and 1 to 2 spoon of sauce. Sorry, I repeat, this is sauce, 1 to 2 spoon of sauce. Now puffed rice. Okay, now same, I have taken the same vessel. I'll start adding the ingredients. For this also I normally follow the same method. See, first onions. For this instant bhel puri also you need 3 to 4 spoon of onions, 1 spoon of cucumber, 1/2 spoon of raw mango, 2 spoons of carrot and 1/2 spoon of tomato. You can use for garnishing also. For this, again salt for these ingredients only, this vegetable ingredients, that is onion, cucumber, mango and carrot. I am adding salt. Okay, carefully use the salt because I am going to use sauce also. Sauce also will have salt, and puffed rice also salt is there. For chili you add according to your taste. If you want spicy one, you add more chilies powder or else little bit. Then sauce, 1 to 2 spoon is enough for this. Now mix this thoroughly. Then you will add the puffed rice to it. Then mix it. Now mixed it nicely, thoroughly. Then the instant bhel puri is ready to serve. I will serve and show it. Now instant bhel puri is ready to serve. I have garnished it with tomatoes, coriander and save. You can add any crispy item you are having in your house for this bhel puri, instant bhel puri. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.